how to tag a game on Facebook Gaming. Start out by going to the Creator Studio home, and from there you want to click on this Go Live button in the upper right. This will bring up the Go Live Now page in a separate tab, and that should look exactly like what you see on the screen here. Scroll down after you filled in your title, video description. Under gaming, you want to pick a game here, and you can type in whatever you want. Let's say I want to do Grand Theft Auto. Make sure when you begin typing it, you then come down and you left click on the game that you want. It should populate in here without any error messages. That's how you know you're good to go. You can then add a thumbnail and go live. Do not confuse this with the live dashboard, where you can change your game here. This is a little bit different. It won't count as you having tagged a game if you do it from here. This is meant for after you go live. You can change the game that you have tagged on your stream, but it's not meant to be used before you go live to tag during that one. So if you do it from the dashboard, it's possible that you could miss the algorithm, the Facebook Gaming algorithm. So please, please, please make sure you do it from the Go Live Now page, and you do it from this section right here. If your game isn't listed in there, you can't tag it. So you have to pick a game that's actually in Facebook Gaming's database.